Hi, I'm Professor Peter Smith. I'm head of the Optical Engineering and Quantum Photonics group here at the University of Southampton. We are developing optical materials for all kinds of applications ranging from aerospace, quantum technologies, lasers, telecoms. We collaborate with groups around the world. So for example, this is a wafer of lithium niobate. And what I have here is a system for measuring the conversion properties of a waveguide made from ultimately this material, fabricated here in Southampton using our clean rooms, using ultra-precise dicing machines, using photolithography, using a whole host of techniques we've developed here. These waveguides convert the wavelength of light, and we're using them within Quantic to do something called upconversion. Instead of using an expensive infrared camera, we're able to use near-visible silicon cameras, which are much, much cheaper. And we're able to sensitively detect light in the infrared by moving it to wavelengths where commercial cameras, just like the camera in your mobile phone, operates.